Hey guys, I'm doing a new project. I want to turn these DVD boxes into small night lamps. Now, the process of these will be a few different steps and you're going to need a few different materials. The reason why I'm going to want to make these night lamps is they're for my son and my niece. So they're small kids and I want to make a rainforest theme. And there are a few steps we're going to go through. We're going to go through the box itself. We're going to go through backgrounding. We're going to go through all the content. Now the first step is get your box. Go to a thrift store. Then background. Make sure you pick your theme. If it's a rainforest theme, pick rainforest images. Go to a thrift store, buy books. So I'm going to use these rocks. I'm going to use these to cover the rocks in the background image. And I'm going to use my wood filler. Now I'm also gonna add my first trees. Why now? Because they can get a lot easier stuck into this texture basis. What you want to make sure when you gather these is to watch the scale of them. Make sure they're scalable. So, it's dry. Now I'm gonna tap it up. Leave this to dry, make sure it's all cleaned up, and then leave it to dry for the next step, which is dry brushing it. Now, what is dry brushing? This is a bit of a technique, and if you're gonna do this for the first time, it might not go well. But what you wanna do is have a very dry brush, and by the dryness of that brush, only the upper layers of texture will receive the paint. Okay, so our next step is adding foliage. Okay guys, we're gonna make the best water texture that you can get. This is based on a technique by Lucas APS. So here it is, the final result. I hope you liked the video. I hope you find it informative. I hope you learned something. If you have any requests of subjects, or if you have questions, if you have recommendations of how to do things smarter, then please let me know in the comments. And if you liked it, you're always welcome to subscribe. See you in the next one.